This routine is built to help your body recover from long periods of sitting, stress clenching, and tension hiding in your hips and shoulders, the two places where we store emotional fatigue the fastest. If your hips feel locked and your shoulders feel like they've been carrying the weight of the week, it's not in your head, it's in your body. This is how we unwind it. Let's hit the mat. Start in a kneeling position. Right foot out to the side. Right arm reaches up and over, elongating the side body. Sink into the front hip gently. This is the antidote to compression. You've been folding inward, mentally and physically. I promise, the stretch will make space again. Beginners, keep your forearms resting on your thigh. Advanced stretches, reach the bottom arm to the floor or block. Breathe deep, 5 more seconds. That just opened the ribs and hip. Now switch sides. Now lift foot out to the side. Right arm sweeps up and over. Feel the pull through your side body, your ribs, and even your lower back. Ever notice how when your hips are tight, your brain feels foggy? This is why. Hips affect circulation, digestion, even your mental clarity. Beginners, keep it light and supported. Advanced stretches, deepen the bend and lengthen the stretch. 5 seconds. You're already getting more oxygen flow. That just unlocked your sides. Now let's hit the shoulders and ankles. Left arm comes across the body. Hook it with your right arm. At the same time, roll your right ankle in slow circles. Double release happening here. 1 for everything you've carried. 1 for everything you've walked. I promise this combo unlocks tension fast. Beginners, keep the stretch soft and breathe. Advanced stretches, add bigger ankle rotations and deepen the shoulder pull. Quick check. Are you clenching your jaw? Release that too. Almost there. And now we switch. Right arm across, left ankle circles. Feel the difference side to side. That's your body telling the story of how you move, sit, and sleep. Did you know that shoulder tension often triggers headaches? I promise the single stretch can prevent that tension from building. Ask yourself, do you feel that shoulder softening? If not, drop the opposite shoulder and pull the stretch lower. Stay with it 5 more seconds. That just reset the upper body. Now let's bring in the hips. Stand tall, hands on hips. Begin rotating the hips in a controlled semicircle, forward to the side to back. This is your chance to feel the edges of your own mobility. Keep it slow, keep it smooth. I promise this is more than movement. This is recalibration. Beginners, keep the circles shallow. Advanced stretches, go deeper and add breath to each pass. Reverse direction. Did that side feel tighter? Hold your center 5 more seconds. That just made your hips fluid again. Now let's anchor it all. Sit down, soles of your feet together, knees out wide. Hold your ankles, gently press the knees down with your elbows as you fold forward. This is where stillness meets surrender. I promise, the stretch not only opens your hips, it calms your nervous system. Beginners sit on a cushion to elevate the hips. Advanced stretches lean further forward, chest to heels. Can you hold this stillness without resisting it? 5 more seconds. Inhale, peace. Exhale, tension. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into kingdom.